FSS would not be here right now if it wasn't for every single one of y'all. We've been on a fast pace for 5 years, but with this partnership, we are going to take over the state of Texas. And I am so excited to see the opportunities that are gonna come y'all's way. This is not just a job, guys. This is a career now.
We looked at a lot of companies in the state of Texas to partner with, and you guys have built the very best. In our company too, we have this concept, everyone puts their boots on the same way. If you get up every day and get after it, and you earn your position to grow, this is the place for you. So if you're a foreman today and you want to be a supervisor, a production manager, we have the opportunity for you. Brian mentioned we're opening new offices in Texas. Someone's got to lead those. My challenge to you is who in this room will stand up and lead those? We didn't grow from 30 million to almost $1 billion in 6 years because we do it the wrong way. We do it because we reward the men and women that actually do the work. If you want to change your life in home services and not just punch a clock, this is the place for you to grow.